very good morning. You're in Jeffrey, Kokomlemle, fan of our street, and every world of entertainment. Dear Chair, good, your father, you know, someone, a Hayani, a DB, a some me, I made you media, what you me, meaning the Sandra or him, Ametiwa. As me, Adom entertainment, I may a Ghana for Chimois. Me, I'm a guy, what I say. Ghana for my own voting, or my uncle on the school day, you vote as an entertainment perfect. But Ghana for pound or my salary and voting. But Munina Chimois, one away entertainment perfect. I'm so. My son, by any day, I dare Chania Tago, and Tepio. Now, me some who felt so sad. Young call and some no so I hope since your toy or home flat day, it's your toy and our kind the homeless. Yes, since your toy are now be doing 4 legs, Debbie, fire and payama, or more money, baby. Da. Why? Young corn and some so. Medical catch your mom. Said this station, B.I. Gineno, we stand for the truth, nothing but the truth, and we state facts. Facts, and when you boy a stream of crank can be that, any enchantment your minty. Siena baby, why? Young Cosso. Yeah, TV personality be aqua can qualano. Yeah, sorry, oh, lawyer. Oh, be all your lawyer while broaching qualano muadio. Oh, be all no lawyer. Oh, co school Massachusetts was a Massachusetts. Wa quadri school more on web be one high and cool. And then qualamo say. I did summer or say TikTokers and all. And yes, stars. And I'm saying, Davy, level up, baby. Level up. Ebia na busu ani bia anya TikToker. Woni nua bi. Wa TikToker. In fact, your kind influencers cry doesn't lower to TikTokers and kwan. What way? Lawyer uko school, I think was yade. Kylie. And Kim Kardashian mu nyina some influencers. Boy, Kwame Refinidin, Guy Tuntumbi. He's the most paid influencer in Africa. Onyeshi, which na app on so one kasa. What I say? Kabilame. Na sem na making. It's me inviting a crowd Comets Gala. So what you talking about, baby? Yeah, what? Digital world, say. What you mutai, whoopoo, wumpo. They are part of us. Maybe I want to my fan personal. Maybe I TikToker AJ Brown. It's my first some no personal. Bang and when me banning to cry, I fan personal. Say some kwalano. Your baby micro celebrities. Micro no. So what's being 100K chamwa? You far gone. And young cano crane share home. Say who ye event to be. Apart from so the about traditional media. Nya who did know. And kwalane the next point of promotion. Ebiana will carry ano. The other 10 years in no. Kwalane the 1 month. Nya tebia ni braba. Ebia will carry ano. 20 years ye hu. Ben kwalane the bosume baako. Ajo mudia kwa afana ehɔ na ye wo ya no hyew. Let's accept the fact say we are in a digital world and social media is part of us. Wo social media no enya anka wo so ka we be app atu hudi ho ahwan goddess ejina so mommy emu nkwala no na yam form flowers and mom they are trying akwala me set a ring light eye video na eye mistake no paper that say na agro no mudia na ga say da form omonta de ka ombo na nkwala no advert a obi de ba komo omo so omonye sika ombeje no emesa wo bosumi pay nusa. So let's give respect to these kiddos. In fact, Stefano, your monster kwalano, they are trying their best. And please, put some respect on their names. I'm not going to tolerate anybody disrespecting the TikTokers. No way. Because they've been of great help to the industry. There was a time when promoting them. There was a time and kwalano, okoha omune promuniade. They are putting effort in it. First, you know, na kwala wie school a wotimi pa adwuma wonya and a digital media ba en kwala igina so sabita frache won ko bo ahyawo sabita frache won ko ye fraud akwala ne se obey influencer na obi atwa ne ka it's good news mumie madwimu na munhu positivity in every issue na munyai se adwinfi entertainment ahye mutrimu ma panifo amani bre nkwala na make wonua bi ni so wonim se ne etie ko bi se sika nkwala de hwie ene akwala owie school a wonko pa adwuma obepa adwuma kwa ne side business wa bi any page or build it dem mom tiktokers ni bi momu bi entie futuwe diama aya nkofo ye mo kasetia no eye ono mo de ye ntokwa no wahu Ghana pene mu tiktokers Kwadwo che ko ye invite omu show a wo kra ye mfre wo ko Nigeria AMVC ya na mo kasa hwan hwan ni nkwala bi na red carpet so ono eho one tiktokers ne ko gina red carpet kola no mesre mo ma yensem mo ya celebrate Easter Sunday na kasa I'm telling you celebrate this mo pia so obi hu mo omo de yen tokwa no eno ena ama ya ne nkofo bi mumu because wumie no obi ibodua wumie no obi o ma bo omo ho anu bi yes is a life bi no ma bo omo ho anu na ejeja we to man na we to man eno ena ama na ye ni sei manu ato afa ye ntie bullet a omo toto man lawyer ni no why efi odo ni ye onso de eja wo gina mo ye influencer de mu wadsin to anka bi kwa anka nye efia beka US ni gu omo so ma me beka brofo no
I don't know, baby, I'm very negative, sir. And baby, I'm negative because y'all negative people. Y'all don't see nothing in light. I see everything in darkness because you're in darkness. But guess what? I'm in the lights. So I see everything to be good, everything to be positive. What do I do for a living? I'm on my business.
And drink water.
I'm on my business. That's what I do for a living. What's that saying?
Can we be honest? Can we be very honest? Most of us who are being called influencers, we didn't just get up and then take the name. The people who follow us, the people who regard us, they call us influencers. Me, for instance, I never asked anybody to call me an influencer. I've always...
Mama the kind of mommy punchlines for more, but mommy, or the code tria, kabanonka, huge number of crowd, was I'm da roba. What kind of ball fuck a cranalano? Comments, Masha Mewani, he speak good English. This boy is articulate. This boy is intelligent. Wow, what a grammar. Oh, what a grammar. Oh, what a grammar. Abokuma, Nancy me when I need you. Ame, Nancy Macabrofo.
Ain't it sad at here? A player walker say, your call Cape Coast Festival, Orange Friday, a whole media house in Haina. On a lady, please. If you're do, influencer, you man, and go be free US, I bet Ghana. What did you know? She my business. Me, I don't mind my business. If you're do me, I don't mind my business. You mind your business for a living. Sandra, I don't mind my business. Because they pay me, I talk for a living. What's it? Monya sent Ninguya Sosane and Twasso. Some making. And Colano saw him so muadi. Na her be to say Shatta wale. De bia meka say bia nye ma oye wo social no wani meje ho but one thing is for a factor untimi ain't take you away from Shatta wale and the fact say wagina agro ni mu ache wo favorite bebre no omutimi gina agro ni ma 5 years won say wateko no pe hit song na ne ho kire no ase ye mia no ka no bre Shatta wale ginam 20 years and over o ka say ya agro Kwadwo Sheldon. Me na me nua no Kwadwo Sheldon. Ba Kwadwo yi, I was say ubu mpanifuo. Because this time around ne die, wale wanka bibi bone. Wo na utwa to ho. Say nsuo yirimi opunu yirimi o. Ena nsuo yiri wo. Ena wo Troy. Ena wale as a good big brother in the industry decided to lend a helping hand. What's that boy from the crime? Extend a helping hand. Where they make it? Huh? Now I trust that this is serious. Sorry, brother. One true friend or say, brother. Let me know if you need some help. So sorry, Charlie. Kawe di ene wom. De wale troye. Ka di ene wom. Anti yi Sheldon bato to bi mane no. In fact, I didn't mean to me cranka. Send your didi wala atem no. As an houseboy. Who did dinner atem so we aketo e bi debi. me makasa say me tolerating kwala e disrespecting penifo industry nim because even omo time no omo enya social media na amote so di atem no omo time no na e kasa so de pen him o pesa wo tie nwum ni bi o de pen no wan sa e na ko CD e no say wo ti me pepa so wa pre e bi kwa na e wo what you say ba ku bi kwa de Patrick Kodom cassette Patrick Kotom piano nko won na ehim na mo de maba na manyan abe fonten na mo tete so na mo ya na mpese mo di mpanifo atem ka wale uti pen no anyway ya to bi ama why ye se waji wani su ko ya bonye mama ya de so tibra ya de se no odofo ne ya de se na edem yi ba me pa chow se me nua be ma no ni ti na mo didi na atem na ya do so obi aya na Kwadwo sheldon ni ti aye sei na ni ti mesremo on say ye mo nipa de ya ye nim ba bia Nyankopon fa clean free ye de so obeto nipa ho de ya mo me nyaye eno de mesremo na ni ti nyo no na bo ni ti o utim se ne ma me chem na tire ne tesa se ye besremo mo ntwitwa so ye kwa so ni ti abokole tank mo Edio what wo kra sa wo mind do business pe na asama ba na no bi kan yes wo jansa no pe na obi ewu ate Lyrical Joe so de asem nam Lyrical Joe aka assembly on sana ya nominating a rap act of the year no ne Kwaku Smoke na wasa category ni ma Kwaku na fai na ni ankwaje ho ye ntwa so tia na tie ne bra
rap performance of the year category. You knew that when you entered here to definitely have a conversation. You knew.
Yeah.
Were you hopeful of winning it?
Yes, every year I'm nominated there. I'm always hopeful.
So were you disappointed?
Yeah, until maybe the category definition is changed. I'm always hopeful when I am nominated, because if we read it out, what it talks about there is the song that they nominate for me every year. That's what it stands for, basically. Every single 5th August. I don't do any long minute rap songs within the year under the year review, but on every 5th August I happen to do that magic where I'm rapping like 11 minutes straight, beat switch, and talking about a whole lot of things, right? And when you go into the categories, talking about lyrical dexterity, flow, beats, all those. I always do that. So just like anyone that gets nominated, anytime I'm also nominated, I'm hopeful.
Lyrical Joe de Mecca, he's one of the best rappers we've got in GH. Once I did na vote kan ho nti sa na will build the fan base no more to mom Kwaku Smoke is equally good nya say Kwaku Smoke no rene o nyaade ti mu na mo fanye mo beat ne so why go studio na wo rap o spete mo toto ma mo ho agro na no na game ni mu ye hye meta mo chi why Molly abaya wo no wotimi kogina kwan mu ye shake it to the max shake it to the max na nyom no baby adro no anyom no mote krampa enya wo say Ghana ne ye dia woni ye Ghana ni de hye kronkron ye ne age ye so ye ko international o say ye wusi ye sefa no bom Ghana artist o mo ye ade onkwala na e bom ye ade papa na Molly Shake It to the Max remix just made Spotify song of the summer 2025 list sama Ghana nka ho meje ma ho abrochefo asem na making ti onu nie okwarem na de hwe anwuma e wo so nka ye se ne hwan se eja ye korem red gold green to the black flag ye ko he ba eja Molly ye da wase ye Stefano bonsam ye na ba ye yase ye rem merem so American na ye rem eti yeso yakopie mu e wo honom a ye de rade ase baby girl ya tese new one a wo de ba no hukura yes Baki ay shake it to them Baki or the new one but anticipate let's support the artists Fire Lady my best female sports journalist and then now that chi mumbo mami nuano I'm fair so na dey happy birthday from all of us well be Kofi Ampedu wo chem when the bills ningin na dan soja o nipa dodo sister we yakasa obi eni yesu asma dear emergency enye yi happy birthday Koma we love you so much nyame enhra o pe yedo nyankwatenten ahoɔden ɛwɔ mu. Richmond, I'm a director, Mark Weber. Yes, supervise and just say, and there. We be Kofi Ampedubo, Suna Nkasa Ginegwa, Honomo Stefano, I sound engineer. Isaac Osei, Kofi Asa, I see you, Fantino, I see you, Uncle Thomas, and a touch of Kumbi, Stella, and Chimenim, Edema, me hair logistics, GH, Mammy Wig, Shashano, Instagram, TikTok, Baby Biana, or Downry, OPD, I am a producer. I'm the guy, Queen. Let's close this way, babies. Come on, come on, come on.